Okay, how do you enable your magnifying glass, or how do you get to your magnifying glass mode on your phone? The easiest way is to put a shortcut icon down here in your control center. When you swipe up from the bottom, you have these 4 icons here. We're going to set up the magnifying glass in another row of icons. So go to Settings and go to Control Center, Customize Controls. These are the 4 icons that you currently have: flashlight, timer, calculator, and camera. We are going to add 4 more just because it'll add an entire row. I'm going to add low power mode, a shortcut to my Notes app, screen recording, and right here, magnifier. This is the one we want. Now you can see the 4 that you added here. You can adjust them by dragging these lines. But I'm going to leave the magnifier very last so that we can verify that it's there. Now swipe up from the bottom, and right here, very last icon, is the magnifying glass. That brings up your magnifying glass. Move this slider to adjust magnification, and use this one to take a snapshot. Obviously right now it's black because the camera that I'm using is against the board. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have any video requests, leave a comment below. If you are interested in further iPhone support, you can take a private iPhone lesson or online courses at smartphonelearningzone.com. Thanks.